Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Just a little short vid. I removed my sound kit out of my Summit and took out one of the speakers, because you can buy this sound kit from Banggood with either 2 speakers or 1 speaker version for almost 10 bucks cheaper. Anyway, really tight squeeze into the deadbolt to get everything in there. But and this will give you a really good look at the LEDs during the, well, it's still daylight out here, but it's, evening time, so anyways, the sound I've got is what you can hear, and just going to go for a little tour around the yard. And the volume is actually full blast on this thing. So, I find that with just the 1 speaker, it is a lot lower. So let's see what it sounds like as you're trying to crawl up something really slow. We're going to go to the front yard, and I've got a pretty steep spot on the side of the road here that goes into my yard. See if it sounds good enough with the engine sound I got going. Take a little run up the road first. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one, guys.